What's wrong with this thing? Okay. For some reason, anyways, hi. It's Carrie. I have a small ice order. I don't know what happened, but it's taken a while for this little milk from my other order. Took a long time for it to come here. I think it was in customs for a while. But anyways, I'll show you what I got. It's not very much, but okay. Always don't know anything. And I hate when I can't open. It comes in one of these bags. Can never get it right. But anyways. Okay, here we go. I think it's like just 6 of them. 6 packs, but ooh, that's pretty. Get it all open. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, here we go. Take forever. Get it. Okay. Okay. So the first thing that I got, which I thought it was in my other order, that came in this one stayed, is the Starry Nights Ruby Red. That's really pretty. Okay. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's a lightweight, 100 grams, 210 meters, 52 acrylic, 48 polyamized. That's pretty. It's very soft. It reminds me of University, which I like. The University too. So got that one. I have this one that came in my other yarn order. Is the Cakes Leopard. It's really pretty. I used the one that I got in my other order. But it wasn't this color. Looks like a leopard. It's really pretty. Okay. It's a medium weight 4, which it is. 200 grams, 330 meters, 100% anti-peeling. I like this one too. I've had this before. It wasn't in my last order. It was a while ago. 1 second. Okay, sorry. This is the Magic Wool Deluxe. I had gotten it in a different color last time. I don't remember what the color was. This one gone. I'll get it away. So, rainbow, kind of. It's a fine weight, 100 grams, 380 meters, 100% wool. It's very soft to be wool. I love wool. So I got that one. You're good, Haley. Okay. Okay. This is Starry Nights in bronze. Every time I get an order from Ice, I get knitting needles. I don't know how to knit. Okay. Got a couple more. I think these are Starry Nights too. Yeah. Starry Nights in a variegated. Has the what is this color? The bronze in this color. So that would go very pretty if you used it together. Starry Nights has purple in it. That one has purple too. Is that the... Is this the same color? Okay, we got two at the same color of the Starry Nights. That's fine. Okay. And the last one. Tommy Wool Glitz. Now this is really sparkling. I love sparkling yarn too. Okay. Look at the shimmer in this. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. It's a fine weight, 50 grams, 185 meters. 7% wool, 50% acrylic, 20% polyester, 35% metallic Lorax. Now that's a lot of Lorax, but it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. So that is my order of what I had. No, I don't know. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.